Which animal has no brain and heart? Jellyfish. Jellyfish has no brain and heart. Which animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? Octopus is the answer. Which bird cannot see during the day? Owl is the correct answer. How many teeth does an elephant have? 26 teeth is the answer. Which animal smells with its tongue? Snake. Which animal can stop breath for 6 days? Scorpion is the correct answer. Which animal blood color is green? Lizard is the correct answer. Which animal cannot look up into the sky? Pig is the correct answer. Which bird does after touching? Titoni bird is the answer. Which bird has longest eyesight? Eagle is the correct answer. Which animal can live more than 200 years? Tortoise is the correct answer. Which animal does after drinking water? Kangaroo rat is the correct answer. Which animal drinks water through the nose? Elephant is the correct answer. Which country is deathly plenty for killing an elephant? Sri Lanka is the correct answer. Which animal cannot walk backward? Kangaroo is the correct answer.